Ever wonder why your cat makes that funny chirp chirp sound? Is it just random, or is there a reason behind it? The last reason is the cutest. Reason number 1, hunting instincts. Cats chirp when they see prey, like birds or bugs. They're getting ready to pounce. Reason number 2, frustration or anticipation. They're excited, but can't catch that bird through the window, so they chirp. Reason number 3, mimicking birds. Some say cats try to mimic the sound of their prey. Sneaky, right? Reason number 4, communicating with other cats. Chirping could be a way for cats to talk to their fellow felines during hunting or play. Reason number 5, excitement or energy release. When cats are super excited but can't act on it, they chirp to release all that pent-up energy. So, next time you hear your cat chirp, know that they're in excitement mode. Now you know why cats chirp. Drop a comment if your cat does this too.